Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevy Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Gonna give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice, beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. From bumpers in beautiful shape, looks amazing. Brand new. Look at that. Grill's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Let's take a closer look at these headlamps. Brand new condition on that headlamp there. Fog light on the bottom, also in amazing shape. Bumpers in beautiful condition. Take a look at the grill, beautiful shape, RS model. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Bottom, fog light, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the little spoiler down there, it looks amazing. All right, hood looks beautiful, outstanding condition. Very nice, really nice and shiny. Look at that, beautiful condition. Take a look at the front fender on the driver's side, amazing shape. Looks beautiful throughout. Take a look at the driver door, amazing conditions, beautiful shape throughout. Look at the glass, all the moldings and everything, it looks beautiful. Very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice, don't see any marks or anything on there, it looks super clean. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in amazing condition. Beautiful condition throughout, don't see any marks or anything to show there. Very nice. Rear hatch, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the lights in the back here. Beautiful condition throughout. Really nice, look at that. Amazing shape. Rear glass, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. It's got a little spoiler back here. Looks beautiful. It does have a little mark there on the paint here. A little tiny mark right there, I don't know what that is. We'll try to get that out. Also a little mark here on the bumper here. On the lower bumper, does have a little scuff right here. And a little mark right here and here. Besides that, looks good. All right, now we're taking a look at the quarter panel. On the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Front fender, passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the windshield real quick. Windshield looks really nice, beautiful condition. Does have a small, tiny little chip right there. Besides that, looks amazing. Take a look above here. Really nice. Roof's in beautiful shape. Doesn't have any marks or anything on it. Super clean. Really amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, that's about it. That's our walk around here on the outside. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a quick test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. Look at the armrest there, beautiful shape. All the controls, very nice. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Very nice, look at that. Beautiful condition. Steering wheel, dashboard looks amazing. Really outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, really nice condition. Take a look at the armrest there. Look at the handle, the controls, all brand new, very nice condition. Take a look at the passenger seat, beautiful shape. Very nice, got that two-tone color there. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, the steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice condition. This is a RS package, looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Beautiful shape throughout, very nice condition. Super clean. Take a look at the rear seats, really nice shape. Beautiful shape throughout, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel, beautiful condition. Take a look at the armrest, very nice. Super, super clean. Really amazing shape. Take a look at the rear seats, very nice condition. Super clean. Full set of floor mats, really nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevy Trax. This is the key fob for it. It's got the key that folds out, really cool, look at that. Bam. All right, so let's go ahead and start her up. And insert the key here. Starts up perfect. Look at that, all the gauges, fully functional. See the little needles go up and down. That's letting you know the gauges are working perfect. Now let's take a look at some of the features on this, but let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage first. This one has 8,416 miles. It's the RS package. It's got a little toys in here, it looks really nice. You've got the RPMs there, and you have the fuel gauge on the bottom. On this one, miles per hour, and you have the temperature on the bottom. Information here, information center there, shows you range till empty, shows you the mileage, shows you the compass, and what you're sitting in. So I guess we're in park now, so you put in drive, it goes to D. Very nice. Up above here, you can see your lane assist thing there, which is nice. It has the stop start of the engines, automatic. It'll turn on and off, save you some fuel. We'll take a look at the buttons for that. They're down here in the center. So here's the lane. Here's the on and off. Over here is the heated steering wheel, super cool. There's the collision alert. You can adjust the distance on it if you like. Cruise control right here. There's the controls for the radio. This one has Bluetooth and everything. Front and rear wipers, very nice. The highlights, turning signals. Super nice. Okay, and then you look down here. We've got the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, automatic lights. Look at the detail on the air vents, super nice with that red. Looks super sharp. Really nice, beautiful condition. All right, automatic transmission. Your parking brake is electric, here it is. Cup holders, it's got a little storage space here, storage space there, power plug. You got USB plug here, USB plugs there. You have your air conditioning controls. You have heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Heated seats, those are nice, cold weather. Rear defrost is right here. Temperature for the AC, or if you want the heater. Up above here, it's got a beautiful screen here. You have your audio controls there, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. Touch screen, really nice. There we go. And you click on more, and it shows you it has AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. So let's go back to home page. The phone, you can set up your phone for Bluetooth and for the music. Wi-Fi. So you got your Wi-Fi controls there in case you want to subscribe to that. You got your settings for the system, for the apps, which is Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the audio, your phone. It's got the rear seat reminder, the collision detection, comfort and convenience. Really nice. Power door locks, the teen thing lets you know when if for some reason you have a teen or something, you can set it up on teen mode. Very nice. Go back to home, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar. Beautiful. And then we'll go like this, put in reverse here, shows you the backup camera. So if you turn the steering wheel, that little line moves just like that. Super nice. Let's put it back in park. Really nice condition. Look at the dashboard on this thing. It's brand new. Looks super, super sharp. Really nice looking vehicle. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Looks amazing. It's got this little, look at that. It's not completely round down here. It looks beautiful. Really, really nice looking steering wheel. Leather wrap. It's got the stitching here in red. Looks super, super sharp. Really nice. Up above here, we have the OnStar button. Lets you know if there's a passenger sitting on the passenger seat in the front and the airbag's on. So right now it's off. You've got your Your rear view mirror. Really nice. Look at the liner on this one. Beautiful condition. Looks super, super clean. Very nice. Up here, let's take a look at the visor. Take a look at the visor on this one. Looks nice. Visor for the driver. Amazing. You got your courtesy lights up here on top. Very nice. Yeah, this is a beautiful vehicle all the way through. 2024, only 8,416 miles. Really beautiful condition. A lot of technology on it. Looks beautiful. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a little bit. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Trax RS model. We already have it in drive. Let's go and take it for a little test spin. Feels nice. Brakes really nice. Let's see. Let's see what it drives like here. Shifts perfect. Super quick. Really like the way it drives. Very smooth. Super nice. Really quick. Okay, we talked about the backup camera a little while ago. We're going to go ahead and test it out here. It's a really nice feature. We'll show you it's fully functioning here. So you just got to put it in reverse. As soon as it's in reverse, you go ahead and turn the steering wheel. And let's go ahead and aim it there to hit those two lines straight on. Look at that. Straighten out a little bit. There we go. Perfect park. Okay, well that concludes our test drive. Show you the backup camera, fully functional. Everything's in perfect condition. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and take a look at that cargo area in the back. Be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the storage area in the back. Very nice condition, super clean throughout. Great shape. Look at that. Down below, spare tire. Really nice, beautiful condition with the jack and everything below. Really outstanding shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Looks super, super clean. Really beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition, looks brand new, really outstanding shape. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look here, close look. Really amazing shape, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Look at that tire, brand new condition, very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look there. Very nice, super, super clean, looks brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Look at that. Brand new tire tread. Looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a mark right here and here, but besides that, it's in amazing condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing, looks brand new. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rim. Rim's got a scuff right here and here. A couple little blemishes there. Also here and here. Besides that, it's a nice shape. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. National Auto Sale LLC.com. Thanks for watching.